Nah, it won't be that close. More like 29th. We look closer than we are. Oh, they'd be going nuts.
Aren't you scared of what?
It's gonna get you, it's gonna get you.
That siding is crumbled on that building back there.
Yeah. See how we got uplift in the back there, the smaller clouds?
But it's basically feeding whatever.
We got some downlift coming here in the back.
And rotation.
Now you can rotate all day long, it may not even do anything.
Yeah.
But that's the pre-warning that you have. It's because it's a possibility. It's probably because people are wrecking on these roads.
Trying to watch it, ran into people. Well, that's not been people watching the video.
Yeah, it's one of those air units. I think it's really wanting to form right there in that one cloud. It's kind of dropped down, but nothing's going on yet.
And that's what people don't understand. The conditions have to be perfect. They're damn weird.
Well, we've seen them drop down like this before and pop a little squat and then go right back and not do anything. I mean, we look a lot closer than we actually are. That's more like Midtown. Well, it sheared up that one cloud that was trying to come down. The wind is whipping in all different directions. Yeah. I think it's because radar is indicating there's one right here over town, which would be this. It's probably indicating the rotation. Yep.